Hello, I am Mihela. Last time I talked about the purple-rumped sunbird. Today I am going to talk about the purple sunbird. The purple sunbird is a small bird in the sunbird family. The species is distributed widely from West Asia through the Indian subcontinent and into Southeast Asia. The breeding male is a metallic blue and purple overall with maroon feathers on the breast. The non-breeding male is mainly olive brown with blackish upperparts and yellow underparts. The female is olive above and yellow below. The breeding males display by fluttering their wings in front of females while singing. Purple sunbirds sound like seen in pairs feeding mainly on nectar but also take insects. I have recently been to Norwegian. I saw a lot of purple sunbirds because there were many flowers there and came regularly to drink nectar from them. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my next video, The Present Tail Jacana.